Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is definitely Priscilla. If you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by my channel, and also kindly consider subscribing to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. You'll enjoy every video that I upload. If you're here for the second, third, and 100th time, thank you for always watching my videos. If you've not yet subscribed, then this is definitely the time to do so. Yeah, so if you like this video, watch till the end and give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment because I always read your comment and I'll be sure to reply to your comments. Thank you so much. So guys, yes, we are moving out again. So this is an official beginning of my house hunting. So right now I'm heading out to go and do my house hunting, apartment hunting rather, and I'm going to take you guys along. This is a part of moving out that I don't like, but it's also critical because I have to check out different options so that I can actually pick out the one that I like. Most of the times I've done a mistake by just checking out one option and just deciding that let's go with it, then I find out that I could have gone for better options. So this time we are not messing up. We are going for apartment hunting before we choose which apartment we are going to. So come with me guys. Yes. So that's the washroom, then the kitchen. This is supposed to be the kitchen. So this is supposed to be the living room area, and then straight to the bedroom. Okay, so that's the bedroom. So the bedroom is very neat, just two windows and wardrobe, basic wardrobe. So yeah, that's the apartment. Honestly guys, this first apartment was great. The only problem I had with it is that I think the washroom was placed in the wrong location, because I'm imagining that you have a guest and you have to shower, then you pass with your towel through the living room to go to the bedroom to clothe up. That's a real mess. I am not gonna take this apartment. It's a no for me. Yeah. Okay, for this apartment number 2, it was a good apartment, but I do not like how the washroom in the bedroom has no door. I mean, no door in the bedroom washroom. No. That's a no for me. Also, the house is really dark. I cannot stay in that house without putting the lights on, which is a no for me. Yeah. Okay, as for this third apartment, I really liked it. I mean, look at the kitchen. It's a modern kitchen. It's really well designed. The wardrobes are great. Wow, I loved it. I love this apartment. The bathroom, I think it's even new. It's great. What I don't like about it is that the living room is a bit dark because the only window faces the main corridor, and it's a storied building, so it's a bit dark. So I think I cannot even be able to record a video in that living room without putting the lights on, and that's a no-no for me. Honestly, I need a house that is well lit during the day. So no. Okay, this third apartment was great, but it has a big corridor that looks just off, and the kitchen is a mess, so it's a no again. Wardrobe is too small.